Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multicam videos. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is import all of your footage. As you can see, I have two different clips of the same event. The first thing I need to do is actually sync up these videos. The easiest way you can do that is by finding one moment that you know you will easily recognize in both clips. To help me sync up the videos, I took this part. And now I'm going to find that moment in the other clip as well. What I'm going to do, on the first clip, make a cut in the video where he starts the sentence. Now I can hide the bottom track and watch the second video until he says that exact line.
Not a kiss cam.
There we go, he said it. Let's make a cut where he says it. If I place them over each other and play them at the same time,
It's not a kiss cam. It's not a kiss cam.
as you can see, the waveforms are aligned. You can see he's talking the same stuff at the same time. Now, as you can see, it's not perfect, but looking at the waveforms, I can align it even better. As you can see, the waveforms align with both of the videos. When editing multicam videos, make sure all of these three settings are enabled. Make sure to choose audio of only one clip. If there is a microphone recording that goes alongside your footage, great. But as you can see, I'm editing multicam footage from a live event. I don't have access to the microphone recording. I'm going to choose the audio of the clip that sounds better. The top one is louder and more clear. I'm going to right click it, press extract audio, and I'm going to mute both tracks. Now I can just make the cuts and the video will be synchronized.
Not a kiss cam. We took one couple and then you branded a kiss cam for the rest of
And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.